Here it is. The first time I'm showing you a retro Hoover. Or retro vacuum in general, unless you count that. These were from the 1980s. Came up quite well. It was utterly filthy. I managed to squeeze a knockoff pepper flow on. I mean, yes, I have been using it and it's picked up quite a lot of dirt. It's a very good vacuum. They don't make them like they used to. And all that shit. Had to borrow the belt off my Dyson DC07 because this one's stretched and you can actually see where it was sat against the belt spindle for who knows how long. It's very nice to use. A very pleasant sounding vacuum. The motor is in really good condition. So yeah, thank you for watching.